Hello learners, this is Vandana Shukla, computer educator at Deep Darshan Vidya Sankul. Hope you all are fit and fine. Today our topic is chapter number 5, working with paint. So let's start the topic. Microsoft Paint, frequently called Paint or MS Paint, is a simple graphic program to draw pictures on the screen and paint them with different colors. Means with the help of Microsoft Paint, you can draw pictures on the screen and also paint them with different colors. Now we will see features of MS Paint. First one is we can use paint for creating, editing and printing pictures. Means with the help of paint program we can create picture, edit picture and also print the pictures. Second one is with this program we can draw different objects like pictures, cartoons, maps, etc. With the help of this program we can draw different objects like pictures, cartoon, map and etc. Third one is we can also use paint to view and edit scanned picture. With the help of paint program you can view the picture and also edit scanned picture. So this was the feature of Microsoft Paint. Then we will see how to open Paint. How can we open the paint program? So step 1 is click on start button, go to all program, then click on accessories, then click on paint program. So you can see the picture. This is the paint window that is available on your screen. The rectangular white area, it is your drawing area. Here you can make your drawing. And home, view, these all are the tabs. And different color options are also given. So this is your paint window. And steps to open paint program. So click on start button. Then click on all program. Then select accessories and then select paint program. So this way you can open paint program. Next topic is using tools. How can we use tools in paint? We can work in paint with the help of tools present in the shapes and tools group. Means in the shapes and tools group there are so many tools are available. So we can work in paint with the help of that tools. To select any shape, move the mouse pointer to the tool in the shapes group and click on it. Go to the shapes group and select any shape and move the mouse pointer to the tool and then click on it. Once the tool is selected, move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. The pointer changes into cross symbol. Hold down the left mouse button and drag it to the direction where you want to draw the shape. So this way you can use tools in MS Paint. The next topic is using oval shape. How can we use oval shape? Select the oval option from the shapes group. Set the color 1. Color 1 is foreground color. Set the color 1 yellow and color 2, that is your background color, set it red. Then click on outline to change the line style. Click on outline to change the line style. Then click on size to choose the line size. Move the pointer to the drawing area and drag the pointer to draw the given oval figure. And to fill color in the figure, select color 2 and then click on fill with color tool and right click on the circle. So this way you can fill the color in your oval shape. So if you want to draw oval shape, just click on the shape group and select oval shape. Then select color 1, that is your foreground color, that will be yellow color, and set color 2 and that is red color. And then click on the outline to change the line style. When you click on the outline, you can change the outline style, means you can make the line style thick or thin according to your need. Then move the mouse pointer to the drawing area and drag the pointer to draw the given oval figure. And then to fill the color, click on the color tool, color 2 button, and then click on the fill with color tool and right click on the circle. So this way you can draw the oval shape and also color the oval shape. So the next topic is using color picker tool. Color picker tool is a very useful tool to select a color from an existing object and filling it into any other object. Let us learn how to use it. This tool is very useful tool to select a color from an existing object and fill it into any other object. So draw the object as shown in the figure. Color the rectangle using fill with color tool. Select the color picker tool. Click inside the rectangle to copy the color. Then move the mouse pointer and click inside the circle to fill the same color in it. Once the drawing is made, you can make changes in it such as copying, deleting, moving, etc. These options are available on the Home tab. Means color picker tool is used to copy a color from an existing object to any other object. To follow these things, draw the object as shown in the figure. You can see in the picture one rectangle has drawn and it is filled with red color. So color the rectangle using fill with color and select the color picker tool. You can see in the image one arrow is given and that is mentioned as color picker tool. Click inside the rectangle. When you click inside the rectangle to copy the color, then move the mouse pointer and click inside the circle to fill the same color in it. When you click in the circle, so the same red color will copied into the circle. So this is the use of color picker tool. Once the drawing is made, you can make some changes in it such as copying, deleting, moving, etc. These options are available on the Home tab. Then next point is using select tool. Select tool is used to select any part of the picture that we want to change. If you want to change any part of the picture, you can select the rectangle tool. To follow this step, draw the Mickey Mouse as shown in the figure 5.4. Then click on the rectangular selection tool to select the object. Place the mouse pointer just outside the area to be selected. Click and hold down the left mouse button and drag around the outer boundary of the object. Then the last top point is release the mouse button when it is completely selected. So if you want to select any rectangular part of the picture, just go to this rectangular selection and select that part, and then drag that part of the picture and release the mouse button when it is completely selected. So this was all about paint, and the next topic we will cover in the next video. Till then, keep practicing and read the given topic which we have done in today's video. This is your homework to read the given topic which we have done in this video. So till then, keep practicing. Thank you and happy learning.